what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going at,
River Range, which is located in Marches Ghat.
well, this is going to be a ride as well as staycation, and with us there are our few friends. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the ride. I know it's peak summer right now. तो अभी मैं अकेला जा रहा हूँ. My sister will be catching on with her fiance. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ आकांक्षा को पिक करने. तो मुझे कल्याण के यहाँ पे अराउंड मिल जाएगी, तो वहाँ तक को मेरे को सोलो राइड करना है.
How do we go?
Call them and let them know we are here. They will be like, what are you guys doing there? Setting up a camp here.
हम पहुंच गए बट हमको रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा है.
कुछ नहीं, इधर से
तैर के जाना है.
सो गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. अभी मॉर्निंग हम लोग जस्ट उठे. मैं एटलीस्ट उठ गया, बाकी सब सोए. इट्स मॉर्निंग अराउंड 8:46 हो गया. आई जस्ट वोक अप. वेल दिस टू आर स्टिल स्लीपिंग and Akansha is sleeping as well up there. She also woke up. So, well, it's a very beautiful morning. I just woke up and enjoy this view. Look at this view, guys. It's so peaceful in here. All those birds are chirping every single time. It's very kind of a unique property and not a lot of people in here. So there's a swimming pool over there. So and well, we reach here at evening. So it was around 6. So I didn't record a lot of things, but yeah, I got few cinematics here and there. Well, हम लोग के पहले Divya and Shubham was here. They went from the other way. They went from the highway, and हम लोग कल्याण से आए. So you know the route of Kalyan right now, the condition of Kalyan right now. Yeah, they are improving, but still, it is pretty critical situation in there. So just not a traffic. It's just a bad road. The traffic was not that much. It was a manageable traffic. You don't have to wait and stop or anything. It was pretty fine. So yeah, motor vlog shoot नहीं हो पा रहा है because my GoPro is suffering with a battery issue. But yeah, my Volta is working. That's why I can able to make this video right now. But on the motor vlog, I can't able to do much thing. We didn't record anything. A lot of things we didn't record it. So शायद आज कर ले. But we spent a great evening last night, and it was my sister's birthday. So we cut the cake as well. Well, this is so peaceful. I enjoy this kind of things. That's why I came here. Yeah, that's what we are here for. We are just here to spend quality time with friends as well as workflow के परे. Rise and shine, rise and shine. अभी जाके अपने सारे उठाना पड़ेगा. Hello, you up? What's up guys? So the River Ranch is based in Marches Ghat region in Murpad and is very beautiful luxurious staycation surrounded by nature and with great amenities you to enjoy with your friends and family, with a pool area with fresh non-chlorine water as well as basketball hook and badminton court for you to have fun in nature. And also we made a new friend. Well, he was a good boy, by the way. Back to the video and the food. So the dinner and breakfast menu card will be provided while making reservations, so you can order anything you want before checking in. Me and my sister had poha because we are vegetarian, but there are non-vegetarian options available as well. And now the ranches. There are two main ranches. One is couple Charlotte with a king-size bed and extra sheet for the kids, and also with entertaining area and best view from the balcony from the Charlotte. And the second, a family ranch, which is luxury from all, with one king-size bed and two separate beds for the other family or friends. And the view, the entire view of property from a single window, best for a family of 4. There are 3 more Charlottes, which are not listed on the website, but
I'll do recommend you to check them out. They're very beautiful and best suited if you're on the budget. So overall, I rate this place solid 4 out of 5. So now we are going back to the pool, and unfortunately someone have to work today.
Yay!
So
That's me.
yes,
I have to work.
Yeah, so we are going to go and enjoy in the pool, and she have to work here.
Yes.
But she will be joining soon. By the way, this dog actually came. I don't know where he came from, but he don't know how to go now, because he came from here. Right? You came from there, right? He was so like out of us, so he came from here. So, like that. Now you have to go.
जब हम साथ जिंदगी खूबसूरत थी, हर पल में खुशबू थी, हर लम्हा मुस्कुराहट थी। अब बाकी है बस यादें, पल जो बीते थे हंसी। तुम कहीं मैं कहीं, लेकिन दिल से दूर नहीं। यादों के साए में गुजरती है ये जिंदगी, पल पल तेरी कमी, एहसास की एक अंधेरी गली। कहते हैं वक्त सब कुछ भुला देता है, पर तेरा चेहरा आज भी मेरी आंखों में बसा है। हम थे साथ तो सपने सजते थे प्यार में, अब तन्हा दिल भटकता है ख्वाबों के बाजार में। तुम कहीं हो मैं कहीं, लेकिन ये सच है, दिल से दूर नहीं, यादों से जुदा नहीं। जब हम साथ जिंदगी खूबसूरत थी, हर पल में खुशबू थी, हर लम्हा मुस्कुराहट थी। अब बाकी है बस यादें, पल जो बीते थे हंसी। तुम कहीं मैं कहीं, लेकिन दिल से दूर नहीं। सपने सजते थे प्यार में, अब तन्हा दिल भटकता है ख्वाबों के बाजार में।
I hope you guys like this video. This is new for me as well, so I hope you guys liked it. Do subscribe to me and my sister's channel and go show some love. This is for new for me, and the properties is very beautiful. Pool is so clear as well, you can see. We enjoyed a lot, and we had a great time. So I hope you all enjoyed it as well. So Miss Akansha, have you done with your work
Yeah, I logged out early.
early today?
Who could miss this beautiful
property.
view
And
and spending so beautiful time with beautiful friends? This is more important than work, guys.
exactly.
Remember, spending time is more important with your friends.
And family too.
Yeah, and
Yes.
family too.
We have to leave now, okay? You've been a good boy, okay? We gotta go. Bye bye. He was a good boy, you know. Bye bye.